Aloha, I'm Robin Savage with Oceanfront Sotheby's.
And I'm John Maxwell with Oceanfront Sotheby's International Realty. We're here on the North Shore of Kauai just to not show you real properties that are available, but just give you some of the ideas of the features that these properties have.
And how beautiful it is here on Kauai. It's so gorgeous, and we
Yeah.
live in a tropical rainforest. It's so pretty.
Yeah, and as Robin knows, most of these properties up here are average about 4 to 5 acres, not like your normal city, small 8 to 10,000 square foot lots.
And that's the beauty of the North Shore.
Yeah, and so what we thought we'd do is just kind of take you through a walk through the jungle and see what we can find.
Oh boy, let's
Are
go.
you ready for this, Robin?
Yep.
All right, Robin, are you ready to take a little hike through the jungle?
Sure, that sounds like fun.
I think right through here might be a slight opening.
Okay.
I'll let you lead the way.
I'll try not to hit you with one of these. Why don't you go ahead of me?
No, go ahead.
Okay.
See what we discover over here on the other side.
Wow, this is beautiful.
Wow, take a look at that.
Where's
Can
that
you
bridge
imagine
at?
features like this on your property? And you find these all over the North Shore, little things like this.
Wow, that's beautiful. And is that where, right through there where the dinosaurs are?
Yeah, over there they have made several pictures of Jurassic Park. I always like to kid the grandkids when they come over that, careful, because you never know if they got all those dinosaurs or not.
Yeah, that's kind of ominous.
Let's just continue walking down here towards the bridge.
Wow, is this beautiful?
And look at these little things you find just every now. Can you hear that, Robin?
I know, and I can see a little waterfall. It's so pretty.
Wow.
And that's natural, isn't it?
All natural. Just pan over here on the other side. You pick up the stream going through underneath the bridge here. And the forest off there. You know, just unique features like this make Kauai such a special place.
It's so nice to have things like this on your own property.
Yeah. And like I said, most of the properties do have little things like this all over. Well, you ready to get back out of here?
Sure, why not? Well, that was interesting.
Yeah, it was kind of
Fun.
unique seeing those things down there.
That was a lot of fun.
Yeah, so shall we head out of this jungle and get out of here?
Sure.
All right.
Did you hear that?
I think we better get out of here. What do you
Let's
think,
run.
Ron?
Let's run.